In our last video, we met the elite commandos of your immune system, the T cells. But even the most skilled special forces need the right fuel to operate. You can't build a strong army with weak supplies. So today, we're stepping out of the battlefield and into the kitchen to explore the 10 best foods to fuel your entire immune system, from its commanders to its frontline soldiers. Imagine your immune system as a powerful army, always standing guard to protect you from germs and illness. But even the best army needs the right fuel to fight effectively. The good news? You can find this powerful fuel right in your kitchen. Welcome to the Health Sketchpad. I'm Dr. AB, and today we're counting down 10 delicious foods that can naturally boost your immune system. Number 10. Citrus fruits. Oranges, grapefruits, lemons, and limes are packed with vitamin C. This vitamin is famous for helping your body produce more white blood cells, which are the key soldiers in your immune army. Your body can't store vitamin C, so you need a daily dose. Surprisingly, at number 9, red bell peppers. They actually contain twice as much vitamin C as citrus fruits. They're also rich in beta-carotene, which your body converts to vitamin A, great for keeping your skin and tissues healthy, your first line of defense. At number 8, broccoli. Think of it as a multivitamin on a stalk. It's loaded with vitamins A, C, and E, plus antioxidants and fiber. The key is to cook it as little as possible. Steaming is best to preserve its powerful nutrients. Number 7. Garlic. This ancient remedy is found in nearly every cuisine for good reason. Its immune-boosting power comes from sulfur-containing compounds like allicin. These compounds seem to give your immune cells a helpful nudge to work more efficiently. Coming in at number 6, ginger. This spicy root can help decrease inflammation, which can help if you're feeling achy or sore. It may also help soothe a sore throat and fight nausea. It's a great addition to teas and stir-fries. Number 5. Spinach. This leafy green is rich in vitamin C and packed with numerous antioxidants and beta-carotene. Like broccoli, it's best lightly cooked to maximize its benefits, but raw spinach in salads is still great too. At number 4. Yogurt. Look for yogurts with live and active cultures like probiotics. These healthy bacteria are essential for a healthy gut, and a huge portion of your immune system resides in your gut. Bonus points for vitamin D fortified yogurt, as vitamin D directly regulates immune function. Number 3. Almonds. When it comes to vitamin E, which is a key antioxidant for immune health, almonds are a top source. Vitamin E is fat-soluble, meaning it needs fat to be properly absorbed, and almonds have healthy fats built right in. Number 2. Sunflower seeds. These tiny powerhouses are packed with nutrients, including phosphorus, magnesium, and vitamins B6 and E. Vitamin E is crucial for regulating and maintaining immune system function. A small handful makes a great immune-boosting snack. And our number 1 immune-boosting food, green tea. It's rich in a powerful antioxidant called EGCG. Green tea is also a good source of the amino acid L-theanine, which may help in the production of germ-fighting compounds in your T cells. So there you have it. 10 delicious foods to power your immune system. Citrus, bell peppers, broccoli, garlic, ginger, spinach, yogurt, almonds, sunflower seeds, and green tea. Remember, No single food is a magic bullet. The key is a balanced, colorful diet full of these nutrient-rich choices. Which of these immune-boosting foods is your favorite? Let us know in the comments. If you found this helpful, share it with a friend and subscribe to the Health Sketchpad for more simple tips to take control of your health. Stay healthy.